नाजरीन, ये दुनिया वक्त के धारे पर चलती है, मगर कुछ लम्हे ऐसे होते हैं जो ठहर जाते हैं, जो चीखते हैं, जो तारीख पर अपने निशान छोड़ जाते हैं। फ़लस्तीन एक सरजमीन, एक फरियाद, एक ज़ख्म जो वक्त के साथ गहरा होता जा रहा है। मगर क्या वक्त वाकई गुजर रहा है या बस हमारी बेहिसी का पर्दा गहरा हो रहा है? एक मासूम सदा है, एक गूंज है उन चीखों की जो दीवारों में दफन हो चुकी है। द टाइम इज टिकिंग बाय। ये नज़्म पेश करने आ रही हैं छोटी मगर बुलंद हौसला फरीजा सामिया। तो आइए उनका इस्तकबाल करें।
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fareeza Samea from class 3rd B. Time is ticking by. The world is standing by. Images getting worse. Voices getting hoarse. Children bound to beds. No one calling quits. Humans burnt alive. No chance to survive. Mothers scream in pain. Exploded child brains. Unborn in the womb. Straight to the tomb. Dreams, cool, ambition unfulfilled, shaking from the shock, death around the clock. Still they insist, toddlers are terrorists, terror in children's eyes, bombs rain from the skies, calling for their mom, who was crushed by a bomb. You say we terrorize? Come, see our skies. Yes, that is a dare. Let's see how much you bear. No gluten for your bread, no grave for your dead, no power for water, just barbaric slaughter. Body parts unclean, breathing bodies maimed, the raw stench of death. No time to catch a breath, no time to mourn or think. More hits before we blink. Hospitals under attack, trying to make us crack. But little do they know, even an embryo who's born on this land is born to withstand, born to resist with the right to exist. The resilience is bred, it's our butter and bread. We will not leave our land where one demonstrate, treated by babies, children and ladies. From far the coward school, afraid the truth will spill. They can pay for their lives with their diplomatic ties, but the truth is free with the eyes you can see. Apocalyptic views, yet lies on the news. Our stories are views, not to actually be told. The media's control, the news is mostly fake. AI filter that they make, we are robbed of dignity because we want to see. Look and open your eyes. Still, the world denies. The truth is unveiled. Humanity has failed. Give and hell. The truth from rich and complicit, hard-hearted and blind, brainwashed, confined. Who gets to decide? Whose motives justified? Who gets to pick? This all makes me sick. Go censor and delete. Let history repeat. Politician to face. Our words like a waste. There is sky as a fall with the self-righteous spark. There must be judgment day because there is a price to pay. I hear the child scream. I hear the child scream. I wish it was a dream. This is a reality. Shame on humanity. Time is ticking by. The world is standing by. But decades from today, we can proudly say, I felt a fire in my chest and I passed this test. We say we tired. We say we tired. At least we say we tired. Thank you.
आह ए राजी अया के न समझने वाले, हल्के दामे तमन्ना में उलझने वाले, हाय गफलत की तेरी आँख है पाबंद मजाज, नाज ज़ेबा था तुझे तू है मगर गर में न्याज। तू अगर अपनी हकीकत से खबरदार रहे, ना सिया रोज रहे फिर ना सियाकार रहे। फरीजा सामिया ने न सिर्फ एक नर्म सुनाई बल्कि एक एहसास जगाया, एक आग रोशन की। यह सिर्फ फ़लस्तीन की नहीं बल्कि पूरी इंसानियत की सदा थी।